Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Effective June 16, Microsoft ended support for its Skype for TV application. Many of us have been facing trouble since then. When I came across this situation, I tested different methods but all went in vain, one reason or the other. However, this one, which I'm going to explain and demonstrate in coming minutes, worked for me, and so it should work for you as well. So guys, let's get started. A USB hub to power up the Chromecast and mobile. You can also use USB port on your TV. Alternatively, you can plug in Chromecast and power socket directly through mobile. Secondly, a Chromecast. One I am using is clone and not original. This is available in local market at around $20. Original one will cost you around $50 to $60. A smartphone which supports screen mirroring, Miracast. If you have an old phone with this option, use that, or buying a used phone from local market is also an option. And a TV mount to place a smartphone on your TV. As you can see, this is DIY and I have prepared it using clothing clips. I can explain to you how I have prepared this, but in a separate video. Please mention your requirement in the comment section below. If you look at it closely, you can prepare it yourself as well. So guys, let's move further. First you need to set up your Chromecast. You can find many videos on YouTube for this purpose, and you can watch those videos as to how to set up your Chromecast. I'm setting up my Chromecast and configuring it with my mobile. As you can see on the screen that my Chromecast is properly set up for Android and is ready to be used. Now mirror your phone on TV. I'm using Huawei GR3 and you can find this option in display, then cast screen. It is now connected with my TV and screen is being properly mirrored. Since everything is set up, it's time to make a voice call. Here you can see that I am receiving a voice call from my other mobile. It's time to make a video call now. As you can see, I'm receiving a video call from another mobile. Just to show you that I'm receiving a video call on my TV, let's switch to other mobile. Here you may find a problem that the voice is not properly mirrored. For that purpose, you can either use phone speaker or hands-free or a portable speaker, but it's normal. Since I'm comfortable with my phone speaker, it's okay for me. So here it is. Guys, if you have liked the video, hit the like icon and also share this in your circle so that others may benefit from this video as well. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.